Hello and welcome to a new video. So today I'm going to show you how to use printers on GhostBSD, which is a FreeBSD based distribution. It's one of the most user-friendly ones. So we're going to see HP printers, which are very common, and if you know, on Linux there is hplip, and it's also available here on GhostBSD. So if you open the software station, which is here, so it's like a graphical package manager. Then you write hplip. Okay, see here I already installed it. So this is the first step. And then if you also want the scanner, there is for example simple scan. And so once you install it, it goes here in the graphics menu. So if I open it, okay, it says searching for scanners. Okay, no scanners detected. So this is normal because unlike on Linux, where there are the discovery services automatically enabled, here they are not. So one thing you can do, okay, so we open a terminal and we write HP setup. So this is the same way you could also use on Linux. And here you put manual discovery, you put network, okay, you put the IP of the printer, okay, you put next. It'll take a few seconds. Okay, it says it detected the printer and it's going to add it, yeah, add the printer, okay. So now we have the printer installed and it should work fine. In fact, you can verify it with HP Toolbox. Yeah, okay, it says status not available, but okay, yeah, see, it came up now, all the stuff in power save mode, so this works already, the printing. Now about the scanner, as I said, you can use a simple scan, which I already installed earlier. Now it's, in theory, should work fine. Now this step on some multifunction printer, it works like on this one. While on another printer, you have to use a different way. We'll see now how to do it. Okay, see the document scanned fine. Okay, so let's say you get an I/O error from the scanner, so this can happen depending on the printer. Okay, so what you have to do is to do all the HP setup steps we saw just now. And then we need to install some HP plugins. So here I've written a small guide, okay. So the first thing you need to do is to install the ports system and some development packages. I entered as root, then as I said, we need to install ports. Okay. So ports are like software from another operating system which has been ported to FreeBSD. Yeah, I'm very new to the system, so I'm not an expert, but this has been tested and it works on other printers. So it's going to take a while because there are lots of different softwares in the ports. Okay, then after we do that, as it's written here, we need to install the dev. So this will install a lot of packages because we use the globbing expression. You see the -t means globbing, then there is a star. So it's going to pick up all these packages. Okay, and while we wait there, I can show you. Yeah, okay, ports, ghost-bsd ports are based on FreeBSD ports with additional application. You can read this wiki page from GhostBSD. Okay, because what we're going to do now, okay, we need to create this directory. Okay, then we need this package, the HP plugin package, because this is a separate package. It's not available in the repositories. In fact, HP plugins are proprietary components, so this is like another way, but use it at your discretion. Just know that these are proprietary software components. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so we have a make file. So this is more or less like all the other ports. Okay, then we have, let's see the description. Firmware and binary drivers for some hplip supported printers. Okay, so what we have to do now is to get the plugin. So if you follow this link here, I'll show you. Yeah, okay, it's this one. So this website, this page contains all the hplip plugins. So at the moment, the version used from GhostBSD is 3.24.4. So this ASC file is digital signature, but we just need the run file with which is the plugin. Okay. So as I written here, you can do a wget, and then we're going to move it. Yeah, you can do like this, -o, and then put it in the dist files. You can do something like this. Okay. Okay. Then you just run make install. Okay, so as you see, this is the license. As I said, this is proprietary software, so use it at your discretion. You just accept the license and it's going to work. So yeah, so this method is to be used only when the other method, you know, the one with the HP setup doesn't work with the scanner. So on certain printers, you get the printing, but not the scanning. It will return an IO error. So this is the other method to install the plugin. So now we have the printing and scanning working on GhostBSD. I showed you several methods, and yeah, that's it. Okay, so see you next time. Bye bye.